Theory of Relativity explained in Quran 1500 years ago. Have you ever wondered about the nature of time? Is it an absolute concept or something more elusive, perhaps even relative? Today we delve into the fascinating world of the theory of relativity, seeking answers and exploring the profound insights found within the Quran. In the Holy Quran, there are verses that speak to the concept of time, shedding light on its mysterious nature. Let's begin our journey by examining these profound references. One of the most striking Quranic references is found in Surah Al-Hajj, chapter 22, verse 47. And they ask you to hasten the punishment, but Allah will never fail in His promise. And indeed, a day with your Lord is like 1,000 years of those which you count. This verse seems to suggest that time can be perceived differently by different beings. It resonates with Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, where time dilation occurs due to the speed of an object or its proximity to a massive gravitational field. Physicist. Einstein's theory of relativity fundamentally changed our understanding of time. It proposes that time is not an absolute but rather a malleable dimension affected by various factors, including motion and gravity. The Quranic verses offer a profound perspective on time, suggesting that it can be perceived differently in the cosmic realm. Nature often provides us with glimpses of time's relativity. From the blooming of a flower to the changing of seasons, we witness the concept of time stretching and contracting before our eyes. Just as the Quranic verses hint at, these natural phenomena align with the theory of relativity, reinforcing the notion that time is indeed a subjective experience. Throughout the Quran, we find further references to the fleeting nature of time, urging humanity to reflect upon its significance and make the most of this precious gift. The timeless wisdom within the Quran prompts us to ponder the relativity of time and encourages us to use it wisely in the pursuit of knowledge, self-improvement, and serving others. As we conclude this exploration of the theory of relativity with Quranic references, let us remember that time is not merely a linear concept ticking away, but a mysterious dimension intertwined with our perception and existence. It is our responsibility to cherish and utilize the time we are blessed with. Subscribe us on YouTube. Educate yourself with Islamic knowledge. Just Urdu English Quran translations available on our page.